Dongguan Qianding Hardware was founded in 2016. Our main products include CNC milling products, CNC turning products, die casting product. We passed ISO 9001, RoHS, and SGS certification. Scale of our company: 3,500 square meters workshop area, 60 employees with R&D engineers, 30 sets CNC lathe machines, 8 sets CNC milling machines, 10 sets die casting machines. Devote to various CNC precise hardware creativity research, products development, and machine parts processing. Qianding has established R&D production, sales after service department with high technical innovation. With many years' experience in metal processing, quality control, and customer service, we have set up our unique management system for all our products. We start with the technical specification. Our design engineers will work with your engineers to understand all of your requirements, recommend you the most effective production method, improve product performance, and keep production costs to a minimum. After finalizing design and production method, production QA will be made by our engineers and will be followed in production process. We will oversee all facts of the manufacture process, including casting, forging, machining, assembly, painting, and galvanizing. Any out-of-specification products will be rejected by our internal quality system. Our main focus is on the manufacture of specialized products for demanding applications. We guarantee economical price, friendly service, and superb quality to you. To succeed with us together,